How to use Demon Form in PO2 2025 Easy Guide. Most people get this wrong, but using Demon Form in Path of Exile 2 2025 isn't just about clicking a skill. You won't believe how much power and survivability this form offers when used correctly. First, unlock Demon Form by completing the relevant quest in the early acts. Once unlocked, assign it to a skill slot and link it with support gems for maximum effect. Popular links include increased duration, melee physical damage, and fortify for defense. Activating Demon Form transforms your character into a powerful demon, boosting attack speed, life leech, and resistances. The key is timing. Use it during boss fights or heavy mob encounters to maximize damage and survivability. Avoid activating in low threat areas to conserve mana and cooldowns. Positioning is essential. Demon Form has abilities, so stand where your attacks hit multiple enemies. Combining movement skills like dash or leap slam lets you reposition quickly while maintaining pressure. Finally, monitor your buffs. Demon Form has temporary boosts, and refreshing them before they expire maintains peak performance. Equip items that enhance fire or chaos damage to synergize with Demon Form's abilities. In conclusion, Demon Form in PO2 2025 is a game changer when used strategically. Unlock it, link the right support gems, activate it during high-stakes fights, and maintain positioning and buffs for optimal performance. Master these steps, and you'll dominate enemies like never before.